The next step in making our flute is putting together the two-piece plug. It's very simple. Just insert one into the other and squish until it goes no more. Then you take the flute with the blow end and you, with the thick end down, you insert, push down, and then you use the piece of doweling and you push down again a second time until it goes no more. And voila, it's in perfect position. The plug is between the true sound hole and the slow air chamber hole, in perfect position for playing and to be in tune.